everyone, welcome back. For those of y'all who don't know me, my name is Camille Batton and I do makeup tutorials and test out different products. In this video, I'm going to be testing out this new Maybelline Sky High Mascara and I want to see what all the hype is about, so let's give it a try. Before I try out this Maybelline Sky High Mascara, I'm going to give you a little details about the mascara. It says it delivers full volume and limitless length. Exclusive Flex Tower Mascara Brush bends to volumize and extend every single lash from root to tip. Waterproof mascara formula, which is the one I have, infused with bamboo extract, fibers for long, full lashes that never gets weighed down. It's available in brownish black or very black, and I got the very black one. And then it says for best results on how to use it, it says to put the mascara fiber brush against your lashes from extending from root to tip. Repeat until desired volume and length is achieved. So, let's see. So I don't know if my camera picked up the mascara one in detail, so I'm going to talk about it a little bit more. So personally, I like purchasing the ones that have the bristles far enough apart, so whenever I put the mascara onto my lashes, I feel like it is getting each individual lashes, versus some of the ones that have the bristles really close together, and I feel like I have to work to get the mascara onto my lashes. That's just my personal opinion. And another reason that I purchased the waterproof kind is because we're getting to springtime. I'm going to be in the water, and when I used to have lash extensions, I mainly got lash extensions because of volume and length, and of course, if you ever got lash extensions, you know they are very pricey, so hopefully this will replace that. Now if you don't like waterproof, you can get the other kinds, and they are black and brown that you can get that are non-waterproof as well. Now it's time to test out this mascara. So I'm actually going to curl one eye in versus a non-curl eye to see what the difference is. So I am going to test this out for non-curl side. So let's see. Alright, not bad so far. So I'm going in now with the second coat on my top. Okay. Alright, so that is 2 coats and 2 coats now. And so now I'm going to go in on my other eye and curl it. So. Now my lashes have 3 coats each. Of course, this is my curled eye and this is my non-curled eye. Definitely with it being curled, I feel like I have a little bit more volume. I hate to say this, I don't know what the hype is about. I like it, but I don't love it. I was hoping for more length and volume. I don't know if it's because I put 3 coats on, because I feel like now it's really clumpy. I have little black balls at the end of my lashes. So this is a no for me. I don't know if this will work better for you, but I just don't like it on my eyelashes. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Until next time, bye guys.